Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of funding your Wealthsimple account. We all know the importance of diversification, but that doesn't just apply to your investments, it applies to your funding options too. So, can Wealthsimple handle the high roller treatment of a wire transfer? Now, wire transfers might sound fancy, but they're essentially electronic transfers of money between banks. They're known for their speed and security, making them ideal for large sums or international transactions. But the question remains, is Wealthsimple on board with this James Bond-style money move? The verdict, Wealthsimple does accept wire transfers, but with a few caveats. That's right, folks. You can wire those sweet Canadian dollars, CAD, straight into your Wealthsimple account. But before you get carried away picturing dollar bills raining from the sky, let's explore the details. First things first, wire transfers are for CAD only. Trying to send any other currency will likely result in your money taking a scenic detour and ending up who knows where. So, if you're dealing in euros or yen, you'll need to explore other funding avenues. Secondly, get ready for a bit of a wait. Unlike the instant gratification of linking your bank account, wire transfers can take up to 10 business days to reach your Wealthsimple account. So, if you're looking for a lightning-fast funding option, a wire transfer might not be your best bet. Here's the catch: keep it domestic and keep it you. There are a couple of other key restrictions to keep in mind. Wealthsimple only accepts wire transfers from Canadian financial institutions. So, if your money's chilling out in a bank overseas, you'll need to find another way to get it into the investment game. And on that note, the wire transfer needs to originate under your own name. This is a security measure to prevent any funny business. So, no sneaky transfers from your best friend's account, even if they're trying to be nice. Beyond the basics, account info and avoiding delays. Now, to make sure your wire transfer goes smoothly, you'll need some crucial information. Wealthsimple provides a unique account number specifically for wire transfers. This number acts like a secret handshake, ensuring your funds land in the right place. Make sure to include this account number in the beneficiary account field when initiating the wire transfer. Forgetting this number is a recipe for delays, so double-check and triple-check before hitting send. The final tally: when does a wire transfer make sense? So, with all these limitations, when does a wire transfer make sense for Wealthsimple? Well, it really comes down to your specific needs. If you're dealing with a large sum of CAD and security is paramount, a wire transfer could be a good option. However, if you prioritize speed and convenience, other funding methods like linking your bank account or using Interac e-transfer might be a better fit. Remember, Wealthsimple offers a variety of ways to fund your account, so choose the option that best suits your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.